I'm Marilia from Paraguay. I have 24 years. And I did the 200 hours of teacher training yoga course in Akshi Yogashala. Well, I actually come without expectations, but I was afraid to stay in the same place for a month in India. But I'm very glad that I did it in Rishikesh because this city is beautiful and I just fell in love since I arrived. And in the school, my experience was super nice. The group was really good and the teachers are amazing. So yeah, I think I have the full experience. And well, I came here not actually to be a teacher. I came just to improve my self practice. So I think it helps a lot, the course. And my favorite class was anatomy because I realized how perfect is our body and how connected is everything and the origin of all the problems that we almost have. So I like it a lot. The teachers are so good, very professional, and yeah, they explain in a simple way and in a fun too. Like you learn with experience and with the way that they transmit it. Very good.